bro, probably like 2.
Yeah. I can go with 2.
At 2?
What, 9 right now?
2?
Yeah. My friends from LB are coming, so we got 1, 2, 3 mechanics.
Mess. At 2, I'm saying like at 3:30, and like at 4, we're out sending
I
it.
think at 4, it's already 2. I think by 4, it's 2.
I'm saying like at 4:30.
Shut the fuck
hey.
up. You doubting us, bro?
I'm saying at 4:30, there's gonna be like 4 niggas in the back, 3 niggas in the front, right across.
We're gonna be looking for the missing bolt. I can't see that guy.
Already fucking rod knocking?
Hey, just put it down, man. You don't know what
Got it? Yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna put a massive tent in this bitch, right? Yeah. All right, so pretty much, we made it, right? He said it wasn't gonna fit. It fit. I don't know, but we made it fit. Fucking made it.
Put it right here, bro. I'm about to take off my pants right now.
What did he say?
Well, because I don't know if there's leaking oil in cool.
Oh.
Well, anybody got that's right there.
That's funny. But we only gotta get like 2 people and we all pull each other.
Hey, why not?
Is here?
No. No. Damn. I'm wet.
Hell no, man. What the fuck?
Alright.
Right here.
Alright, we need
2 more people.
Okay.
No, actually.
Real shit.
Actually.
1, 2, 3, go.
Twist that. Fuck, nigga. I'm not doing shit besides holding his arms up, nigga. Yeah. Something. Dude, that has to be something else holding it.
Look, bro, I feel like I'll know. Look, I feel like you know, man. Look at this.
Hold on now.
Hey, George, get the picture,
Get them both out here. Get them busy.
Oh, well,
yeah,
you can't hold it. You can't hold it from there no more.
I'm vlogging, bro. Say what's up to the vlog. What are the way, Nate?
Don't drop that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pull the cover off.
Yeah. Look at him.
Hurry up, bro. My shit's numb.
Alright, here we have the bitch ass niggas putting in the turbo. Nigga, shut the fuck up. Alright. Here we have fucking rock.
Lift this line.
I'll show you what's out, Mr. OGZ or Phoenix Flexing. I don't know. What's out the downpipe?
Right here, this one over here.
You put the new gas?
Look, it's kind of.
Just hit it in. It's this line. What about it?
Alright, bro. Look, we have the lighting out here. I think it's like tired of doing nothing all day.
Hey, what you do?
Nothing all day too. Hey, bro, I've been vlogging. The camera's heavy. Bro, the camera's heavy, dude. Alright, let's bounce. We're gonna go to AutoZone. We're in AutoZone. Here's a different angle over here.
Yo, get into it. There you go.
Imagine that bitch falls off.
It's just this part now. You gotta go lower.
Yeah. Holy shit, we did it in like, you guys did it in wow, yeah. Hey, I speak French. That's why. Just say
look right here.
It would have been faster, but we had the trouble with the turbo.
So we gotta like rotate this.
He was fucking with the turbo?
No,
like,
for my
like
truck
this.
we did it fast.
Okay.
For my,
This is
not for the downpipe, sorry.
I'm gonna go to the store with Bro.
No, I did my fucking brake press, bro. The one side took like 30 minutes.
Yeah, cool.
2 bottles?
And then once I got one side out, the other side in 10.
I'm gonna just buy the big one.
Yeah.
The jug?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
One quart?
just a quart. Yeah, you can lose a lot of water.
Any 530 or like Euro spec?
Don't matter.
So what's up, nigga? Alright, let's go.
Good? Like this? Just hold it like that? Is that
5 hours later.
so just start it? Normal?
Yeah, just act like you're gonna start it. And then get ready to turn it off. Let it go one more time. Alright. Now flash it.
Yeah, look at the cable. Why is it brown?
The blue and yellow or what?
Yeah.
Well, it's not like here. Come on, bro.
Damn,
They're going crazy.
I'm gonna go
Nah.
fucking party with those bitches, bro.
What is that, the blue Gatorade or what, the Powerade?
Bro, you gotta put Powerade. That's just Powerade, red Gatorade.
Which one?
Mountain Berry Blast. That's what it's called.
Is that the new one?
That's what it's called. Mountain Berry.
What the fuck?
Bro, you cooked.
No, they are over there. Bro, put the light. I'm trying to get the.
Where's your light? That one.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I thought it worked.
You just try the ones from Mexico, bro. Those are hella gas. They taste different.
Because they have no regulations.
Yeah, they got no really.
Yeah. But we're putting the coil packs back in. What's up, man? Fuck, bro.
When?
Shout out to everybody. It's gonna be a minute to flash because he's on the cable. He's not the one scout.
Ready?
Yeah. We'll turn it to clear.
Yep.
Ready?
Fucking 12 hours later, bro. Holy fuck. This shit. Wait, where the fuck you go? Oh shit, I look at it go down. It went up, look. I know, look, it went back down. Watch out, I gotta ask him to tell me exactly. Someone killed it.
Where is it? Where is it?
No, no. Run, everybody, run.
Snack it over.
Alright, guys, my phone is. We're gonna fucking send this bitch to the fucking graveyard, nigga.
Ready?
Assalamu alaikum.
Are you high?
Why are we going so fucking fast, nigga?
Stop though.
Yeah, what? I'm about to blow. Alright, so that pretty much concludes the video. That video was really fun to make. Normally I don't do this type of shit, but because we're messing around, we're doing a turbo install. My homeboy's 340i, as you can tell. He's happy holding the turbo and then the old turbo. It was pretty much a cool, chill day. We did log after, although I can't say the numbers because, you know, it's top secret. I can't be putting out his information out there. You can DM him at SickB58. I'll pretty much put it on the screen right now or put it in the description. Well, just let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to share on Facebook, share on whatever. Share your mom, your auntie, your grandma, your daughter, your sister, your cousin. But yeah, next video I might be doing how to install a TU pump or FX80, 200, whatever the case may be. But yeah, bye.